In a magical kitchen hidden high in the clouds, Chef Whiskers, a talking cat with a passion for baking, came up with an extraordinary idea. I will bake the universal cake, a dessert that brings together the flavors of every continent to show the beauty of diversity. But Chef Whiskers couldn't do it alone. He sent out magical invitations to 5 talented young bakers from different parts of the world to help him. Each baker had a special connection to their home country and knew just the right ingredient to contribute. Zara, from Nigeria, loved using tropical fruits in her creations and always added a bit of local flair to her dishes. Jack, from Canada, was an expert in desserts using maple syrup and snowy inspiration. Haruto, from Japan, excelled in blending unique and calming flavors into his baked goods. Tolia, from Australia, had a knack for using nuts and native spices in her recipes. Ella, from England, was famous for her fluffy cakes and buttery treats, bringing warmth to any table. Together, they were tasked with collecting a special ingredient from their homeland to create the ultimate cake. Chef Whiskers handed each baker a shimmering, magical whisk that could transport them to their home country with a single swirl. Remember, he told them, each ingredient must come from your heart and tell a story about where you're from. With that, the bakers whisked themselves away on their grand adventure. Zara appeared in her bustling hometown in Nigeria, surrounded by vibrant markets. She walked through stalls brimming with colorful fruits, spicy peppers, and fragrant herbs. At the edge of the market, she found the sweetest, juiciest pineapples in a farmer's cart. Jack landed in a snow-covered forest in Canada, where maple trees stood tall. With a tap and a bucket, he collected golden maple syrup straight from the source. The syrup gleamed in the winter sun, its sweetness warming his heart. Haruto arrived in a peaceful Japanese orchard, where rows of yuzu trees stretched into the distance. He carefully picked the citrus fruits, their fragrant aroma filling the air. Tolia wandered through a grove of macadamia trees in sunny Australia. She cracked open the nuts with precision, collecting the creamy treasures inside. These nuts add a delicious crunch and represent the strength of the outback, she said proudly. Ella whisked herself to a green countryside in England, where dairy cows grazed peacefully. She churned fresh butter by hand, humming a tune as she worked. This butter is soft and rich, just like the traditions of my home, she said. When the bakers returned to the cloud kitchen, Chef Whiskers greeted them with a purr. Let's begin. However, as they started baking, disagreements arose. This should be a fruity cake, Zara insisted, holding her pineapples. No, it needs a rich maple flavor, Jack argued. What about a light citrusy touch with yuzu? Haruto asked quietly. Crunchy nuts will make it better, Tolia chimed in. But it has to be fluffy and buttery, Ella added. Chef Whiskers intervened, tapping his paw. A universal cake isn't about one flavor overpowering another. It's about blending them in harmony to celebrate their uniqueness. The bakers paused, realizing he was right. They worked together, combining their ingredients with care, balancing each flavor. Zara's pineapples added a tropical sweetness, Jack's maple syrup gave warmth, Haruto's yuzu added a tangy twist, Tolia's nuts provided crunch, and Ella's butter brought it all together with richness. When the universal cake was ready, it was a sight to behold. Each slice had swirls of gold from the syrup, bright specks of pineapple, green streaks of yuzu, and tiny macadamia bits. Its aroma filled the air, making everyone's mouths water.